Hey, what's up? What's up? This is Lonnie over at Playbook Mastery. I'm glad you're here today. We are talking about day 19 of the Clickbank MLGS study, my lead gen study. If this is your first time here, hit that like and share button so the algorithms like me a little bit more and this can get out to people who like to do affiliate stuff and want to get better at it. So anyway, I'm doing a 90-day case study trying to go from $0 to $300 per week using my lead gen secret attached to Clickbank study. So basically how it works, we're going to go through this fast. You get 100 leads per day. And you can use these leads with e-businesses such as Clickbank, Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, Offer Vault. There's plenty of them that you can use it for, but I choose to use Clickbank with this particular study, and we're going to keep on rocking on this 90-day deal, and hopefully by the end of it all, I'll be making $300 per week, which would be super cool. But I got the idea from, I seen a few other people doing this case study, and I was just kind of like, man, does this really work? And so I was like, oh, you know what? This guy seems to be making it. And so I just kind of dove in and tried it. So basically how I'm getting all these leads, so you get 100 leads per day, like I said. But you can increase those amount of leads by getting referrals, or you can do what we call link chaining, and I'll tell you that in a second as we go through this here. One of the things I keep telling everybody, and I don't mind saying it, is you have to be consistent. If you want any of this stuff to work, you got to be consistent. Even when you're making sales or you're not making sales, you got to keep at it, because that's just the way business goes. I would love to make money every single day, but sometimes it just don't go that way. So, but anyway, you want to keep your head up and keep on moving along. So you get 100 leads, drip fed per day, but you can boost that to 200 leads per day. This recycles every 24 hours or 23 hours. The thing about that is you have to make sure, if you want to be consistent, you're sending out your emails every day at nearly the same time to make sure you're able to stay on track. And for me, that's been a little bit tough, but I'm making sure I get it out the best way I can anyway. So that you can only send it out there for those 24 hours, because they don't want you doing spam and then getting your accounts messed all up and all that kind of stuff. But every person that you refer to my lead gen secrets, you get $5 as reoccurring. And then there's tiers of that. If you get 5 customers to do this in 1 week, you get a $100 bonus. So here's the tiers: 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and they'll level in, and they'll tell you more about how to do this once you get into the program. Here's people making some income off of this, and these are basically all the people that are constantly doing it. One thing that I have found out is a lot of people that's making this money off of here don't talk about it. So you might not even know it works, and I'm really starting from scratch, and I'm starting to see it work. And the only way you can really see it work is just keep on going at it. So we're gonna go ahead and go into the link chain. Link chain. So basically you need 5 emails. I have actually 10 accounts. I only use 5 for this. I used my other 5 for some other things that I'm working on and testing, and hopefully going into this new year, I'm gonna be dropping a bomb on that as well. But anyway, so you link 1 with 2, that gives this account 200 leads, and the other account 200 leads. You want to link 2 with 3, 3 with 4, 4 with 5. On the 5th, you need to get some referrals in. And the way I structure my emails, and I advise you to do the same thing, structure your emails the same way. That way you can get at least 1 or 2 to get you on that back end and get you up to the 200 accounts. So sorry, I'm working on some other projects here. Let's go ahead and go into the my lead gen. Before I do that, I want to show you a little something. Right here, they allow you to buy their email swipe files. Personally, I don't think you should do that, because Chat GPT can do all of that. I use Chat GPT to create all of my emails for my lead gen. If you can copy this down, this works really well. Can you tell me who the top 5 great copywriters for making marketing products? I'm sorry. Also using the problem, agitate, and solution style of marketing. And these are 5 of the top guys of all time for doing that. So you can use them to use their likeness to create your style of email. And it's been working really well. I'm getting a lot of people opening my emails and things like that. So I would strongly suggest this here. So let's say I would say chat, create me an email using Gary Halbert style of marketing. And then I would go take the email from what we're using is Clickbank. And I would, I'm gonna click over here. Computer's moving a little slow today. And I would take one of these emails and then I would tell them to create the email based on this style. I also would tell chat to make it even more engaging, make it more enticing, make the people want to click. Like, and you can tell them to do that and then it'll create better emails for you. So anyway, then I will create my email. I try to keep the email short because people attention span. It is what it is. This video is probably long right now. So, but anyway, you want to keep their attention span. You want them to click. I try not to have a lot of links in here, just a few. The first one, I want them to click into my Clickbank product. From here, there's just more places that they can reach out to me. I use a service called Signature Hound to create my my signature. And then, like I told you earlier, I promote my lead gen as well. And here's the thing, a lot of people don't tell you this here, and that's what they're doing. And I feel like, you know what, hey, it's okay to be honest. If this is working for me, I'm not sitting here trying to teach you how to sell. I'm just showing you a technique that actually is working for me, and it could work for you or even work better for you depending on how much work and effort you put into it. But anyway, so that's my setup. So today I'm gonna go ahead and go in here and look at my stats today. Come on, somebody show me something. And I have multiple accounts, by the way, too, that I try different things with. So today, sale-wise, hey, made a sale today. So I made a sale. So like I said, I'm keeping at it. Hey, it's not millions of dollars, but man, $17 start to add up. You make $17 every single day. Let me grab my calculator real quick. Make that quick. 17, what was that? 1798 times 30. That's $539 off of spending $150. So $150. That's $389 as profit. So you keep at that and you keep getting better at this, and your emails get better and the sales get better. Guess what? You add a couple more accounts, but you want to make sure you really understanding how it works. That 389 could now be times that by 2. $780 per month if you add more accounts. So basically that's where we at today. I'm just gonna keep on rocking at it. I hope you're enjoying it. If you have questions or anything, man, hit me up. I'm an open book. Love to talk about this stuff. See you on the next one.